Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shamela and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. So today I'm making no-bake cream cheese dessert. If you love a fast no-bake dessert, then this is the one you should make. No oven, no cracking, just a delicious Nutella cream cheese dessert. So this recipe is super simple and my favorite. It goes so easy and it tastes amazing. So let's see how to make this easy Nutella cream cheese dessert. For the crust, you just need to blend 250 grams of digestive biscuits or graham crackers coarsely. And I'm going to add 80 grams of unsalted butter. Give this a very good mix. This mixture will resemble wet sand. Now transfer this to cake mold or any casserole of your choice. You can also use small jars to set this. Press into the bottom and chill for at least 10 minutes before the filling. Now let's make cream cheese filling. Beat 200 grams cream cheese until smooth using hand mixer. To this I'm adding 200 grams Nutella. Mix until smooth. There should be no lumps. And now I'm going to pour into the prepared crust. You can place strawberries on sides. This is optional, you can skip strawberries. So guys, now this is done and now I'm going to keep this in refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Take another bowl, add 200 grams whipping cream, whip until soft peaks. And I'm going to add 50 grams castor sugar. Whip this until soft peaks. Once done, set this aside. Now I'm going to whip 200 grams of cream cheese in a bowl until smooth. To this I'm adding whipped cream. And now whip again for a minute. Pour this filling on top of Nutella cream cheese layer. Sprinkle some crushed walnuts on top. Drizzle some Nutella on top and refrigerate it for 4 hours or overnight. You can store this in refrigerator for up to 3 days. This cream cheese dessert can be made in 1 day in advance. And now the easy Nutella cream cheese dessert is ready to serve and enjoy. Light, fluffy cheesecake is very easy to make and delicious sweet treat for just about any occasion. You can also use small glasses or jars to make this dessert. Words cannot describe how incredibly delicious this cream cheese desserts turned out. Once you dig your spoon into all these smooth, creamy, sweet layers, one serving might just not be enough. So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. And follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more short recipes and updates. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Stay tuned, stay safe, and have a nice day.